Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for your kindly participating in this great movement. This movement is not started by me. This was started long years ago by Krishna himself. Firstly, he spoke this philosophy of Bhagavad Gita to the Sun God, as it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter. Imam vivassati yogam praktava aham abhyam vivashan manave prahu manu ikha kavidbravi evam parampara praptam imam rajarsayo vidu. So, if we calculate the age of Manu, it comes to the point of 40 millions of years. So, Krishna said that 40 millions of years ago, at least, he spoke this philosophy of Bhagavad Gita to the Sun God, Vivashan. The name of the predominating deity in the Sun planet is Vivashan. His son, Manu, Vaivasvata Manu, his son Ikhaku, the original person in the dynasty Suryavansham, in which Lord Ramchandra appeared, Ikhaku. So in this way, this Krishna consciousness movement is coming since a very long time. But Krishna said, Evam parampara praptam imang rajarsayo. Formerly, the rajarsis, they used to receive this instruction through the chain of disciplic succession. That was the way of understanding Bhagavad Gita. But Krishna said, Sakalena yoga nashta parantapa. Now, Krishna, 5,000 years ago, when Krishna was talking with Arjuna in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, he was perplexed whether to fight or not to fight, and just to enthuse him in the fighting, he spoke this Bhagavad Gita 5,000 years ago to Arjuna, and he said that the parampara system, disciplic succession, is now broken. Therefore, I am speaking to you again, so that people may learn from you what is the purport of this philosophy, Krishna consciousness. So, 5,000 years ago, this philosophy was spoken to Arjuna, and we are having the instruction. Unfortunately, that is again being distorted. Because we do not receive through the parampara system, we inference, we make inferences in our own way, and therefore it is also again broken. Therefore, again 500 years ago, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed this Bhagavad Gita as a devotee. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is supposed to be incarnation of Krishna. As Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he instructed as the order-giving master, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. But still people misunderstood. Therefore, this time, 500 years ago, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna himself, appeared as a devotee of Krishna. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna, that is described in the authentic Shastra. Krishna Varnam Tisha Krishnam Shangapangasta Parsadam Jagnai Sankirtanai Prayai Jajanti Sumedasa. So this Krishna consciousness movement is practically Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement. And Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. So Krishna is very kind upon the conditioned soul. He is trying to elevate them to the real platform of Krishna consciousness again and again. But we are so stubborn, we are trying to forget Krishna again and again. This is going on.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.